Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough about three notebooks which I have created. First one is this EDA of Spotify stream, most stream Spotify songs, and the next one is Auto EDA using Sweetviz. So this I've done on Amazon Prime users dataset, and the next one I have is Apache Beam Demo, which is I have demonstrated key features like composite transforms and pipeline input output windowing streaming and BeamML. So let's go through this. So this is the data set which I have. It has track names and album names and number of streams it had on Spotify, YouTube, TikTok views and likes and all. So first we have this data set here. This is like a quick description of the data. This I've used D3JS. So D3JS we can use to have interactive graphs, but these are like the basic graphs which we have here in this tool. Next we have different this we have different graphs. This is the most played songs. Then we have top tracks, top 10 songs on Spotify streamed last year, and then we have top 20 track by counts. These are the graph over here for D3JS graph using top artists. Then we have top 20 artists. So these are the beautiful graphs which explains the count and the name of the artist. Next we have over here is top 20 artists by all-time rank. Then we have top 10 tracks based on YouTube views and TikTok views. And we have next is top 20 trendy tracks. This is based on TikTok views and YouTube views and based on the likes as well. And these are the 20 trendy artists last year. Alright. Next we have is Auto EDA using Sweetviz. So this is just a amazing tool which does all the processing on its end. So I've run this code and it has given me this HTML report which is over here. And what we can do is we can just click and get all the data. So here we have the description of the data set. Then we have the names. We have all the gender based distribution, then the location based distribution, the subscription plan, annual and monthly. Then it has distributed all the data based on all the columns, and we can also perform some data analysis using the feedback and customer support interaction over here. So Sweetviz directly gives us this report in just 2 lines of code, which is amazing. Next I have over here is this Apache Beam project. So in this what I've done is I've created a Apache Beam pipeline using Python to simulate a stream of e-commerce transactions. So we process transactions with details like product quantities and the price of the product and what is the product type. And this so what is happening, each transaction is getting transformed and we calculate the total cost and apply a discount if the amount exceeds a certain threshold. Next we have is the windowing process. What windowing does is it divides the data into logical chunks and triggers define what the result for each window should be emitted. So in this step we have simulated the streaming e-commerce transaction over time and use window to group transaction into 1 minute intervals. So this is the output of it. Next, we have used this method called Pardo transform to perform multiple operations, including calculating the total cost and classifying each transaction as higher value, medium value, or low value. Next, so this is the output here. Next we have is working on streaming data. So I have simulated real-time streaming data with this. So with a small delay, we using a loop of simulation, real-time transaction processing. Each transaction gets processed and categorized and outputted in the real time. So this is the code, and here is the output in the console. Next is I also integrated a simple ML simulation here, where transactions are classified into categories based on their total cost. For example, transaction with a total cost above 1000 is classified as high. Then we have 500 to 1000. So total cost in between that is getting classified as medium. Or else if it is lower, then we classify as low. So this is the output over here. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.